serious gbas everywhere now. It's like Baba don't promise Miriam and Ako before they got married that look, since Queen Naomi is no longer in the scene, she's no longer in my palace. You are going to be my Eniju 5 and 6, Romeo and Juliet. Nobody, no third party. Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Crossblog XTV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment down below. Today there is problem in Ooni of Ife's palace. Yes, there is violence, serious gbas everywhere now. Hmm. It's like Baba don't promise Miriam and Ako before they got married that look, since Queen Naomi is no longer in the scene, she's no longer in my palace. You are going to be my Eniju 5 and 6, Romeo and Juliet. Nobody, no third party. And we should all remember that during Olojo festival, Miriam Anako was blocking Ashley to come from coming close to their husband. So now what's going to happen? Miriam is angry. She's really crying. She's pale. That look. So you are telling me that you are bringing another wife into this palace? It's not possible. And we know, say, before man chook you, before man chop you well, they go don promise heaven and earth. Oh, I go buy you I go buy you Queen Elizabeth, buy you baby, buy you that. But once you don't enter the house, please drop your comment down below. Am I lying? Once you have entered the house, the matter go change. Then men go start to dey change, begin dey twist wetin dem don talk. So now our Mariam Anako, Queen Mariam Anako, is fighting her husband that look, this was not our promise, this was not our agreement. You promised me that after me no other olori in the palace, and you even promised me that you are going to chase away Ashley. And you not remember that was why Oba Ooni of Ife didn't say anything when the DSS was blocking Ashley to come close to him. So it was an agreement between them. So now there's gbas in the palace. What's going to happen now? And Kabiyesi, we already heard that Kabiyesi has printed out IV for the people coming in. Don't worry, will bring it. Just relax. Now this matter, drop your comment down below. What do you think Miriam is going to do? Is she going to pack her stuff and leave the palace? Ṣé Miriam máa wá bínú kúrò láàfin ni? Oye marriage tí ò tí pé 2 months, 1 month and kìíní kan ni, kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀? Please drop your comment down below. Hey, ṣé ẹ ṣe pé nǹkan míì ti wọ́n ṣẹlẹ̀ láàfin báyìí o? Kán yá lọ pa àwọn fire brigade. Ṣé rántí ọjọ́ sí tí ẹ̀gbọ́n Mercy Aigbe tó lọ jólé ìyá ẹ̀ tó ní Mercy Aigbe ìyá òun ti fún ó ti gba ògo tòun fún Mercy. Kó má lọ jẹ́ pé Mariam Anako máa dáná sun, wọ́n máa dáná sun palace o. Then àbí àwọn DSS máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí yin tear gas. Kò yé mi o. Violence fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ láàfin o. Ta la máa pè báyìí? Ta ló máa help wọn? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. I want to ask a question. Please drop your comment down below. Why is it that men, tóbi ọkùnrin bá ń lé obìnrin, wọ́n máa ń lérí léka, wọ́n máa ń sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ dídùn, ṣùgbọ́n once tá bá ti gbà fún wọn báyìí, tí wọ́n ti cross red sea, tí wọ́n ti la plate, tí wọ́n ti gbé orange sẹ́nu, gbogbo ìlérí gbogbo ìlérí tó ti sọ, everything will change. Please drop your comment down below. Why is it happening? Why tó fi máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Why is it always happening like that? That a man will sweet talk you, then after you give him what he wants, then it will change. Now Miriam is angry, she's upset. She's angry, she's upset with King that look, we never had this agreement before we got married. You said no more olori, and that was why I have accepted to leave my job to come and stay with you in Ile-Ife. And we all see now, we all know now, Kama don dey rise again. No, Ashley now, Olori Ashley now, she don dey buga. Oya buga. She's bugaing in the palace now because she heard that another wife is coming in. So now she too, she's organizing her own crew now. She has gotten her own DSS. Hey, in Ooni of Ife palace, DSS go dey exchange bullets, DSS bullet go dey fly make una take make all of you people should go and get bulletproof tear gas everywhere here and there. And now Ashley is happy because she's going to be properly, formally announced as the queen of, she's going to now be the proper queen, olori láàfin ọba. She deserves it, yes. Because the elders were angry. Yes, they saw everything that happened during Olojo festival, and they saw that Ashley was really humiliated, yes, by Mayor Monaco. So now they've told Anu Afife that look, the wife you are going to bring in, Ashley has to be there. She has to be among those people, two wives he wants to bring into the palace. So now, kò yé mi nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment down below. Hey, now wow, everything has changed, oh. Everything has changed. Please drop a comment. Why táwọn ọkùnrin máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Please ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ sọ fún mi. Ẹ̀yin uncles mi, kí lè tẹ́ máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ fẹ́ obìnrin, tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ fẹ́ obìnrin, ẹ máa sweet talk, sweet talk, sweet talk. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ bá ti lọ sílẹ̀ ìlérí báyìí, tẹ́ ti mú orange, tẹ́ ti lá plate, everything has changed. It's not supposed to be so. And gbogbo ala mọ̀ pé we all know that Mariam Anako, where she's coming from, high class lady ni. She's a top class woman. Ó níṣẹ́, àwọn èèyàn ń bọ̀wọ̀ fún níbi iṣẹ́ gan. So ẹ wá sọ fún mi nísìnyí pé drop your comment down below. Ṣé wọ́n wá da Mariam pọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn olórí ilé báyìí ni? Ó wá di gbàgbọ́gbà àwọn ìyàwó ilé olórí ilé. Ṣé bó ṣe máa wá rí nìyẹn ni kò yé mi. I don't understand. Please drop your comment down below. Kí lẹ feel sí Mariam? Ṣé Mariam Anako deserve nǹkan tó dọ̀ tójú bọ̀ yìí ni àbí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kò yé mi. I don't understand. Do you think Mariam Anako deserve what she has put her head into? Do you think, drop your comment too, do you think Ooni of Ife tricked her into getting married to him? Because I don't understand. Pekele arúgbó jẹ gbèsè ta ni ó san. It is well. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment. Please, check your notification button. Because I'm about to shake YouTube on the next update. Because we are going to unveil things that you people don't know. Check your updates. Check your notification button. Drop your comment down below. Let me hint you. Do you know that Ooni of Ife is going to get married to two wives on the same day, on the 14th of October? Don't worry, let me shut it there. On our next update, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you for your comments, positive and negative. Thank you so much. From CrossBlog XTV, we say thank you. God bless you.